Okay, I am live right now. Let me check. Trying to waiting for K. Trying to decode two pointer algo pattern questions on lead code. One waiting. Okay, I am live. We're showing waiting. Okay. We are live. Really? Trying to decode two pointer algo pattern questions. Okay, तो मैंने आज का एकदम फिक्स कर लिया कि आज हमें करना है क्या है. Today we will be covering two pointer practice order questions. We will be covering the basic. Actually, I've already done these questions. I will just hover around these questions and we'll understand the pattern. And we'll do the question which are left in real. Like these questions I have not done yet. Like I have done the basic and intermediate questions. Today I will be dividing these basic and intermediate questions and then we will be solving advanced questions. Okay, let me just open um, question numbers. I've also opened Styloshare because after completing these patterns like the wonder, I have done sliding window already. In the previous lab, I have also covered the fixed sum approach. And today I will be completing the two-point approach. It was left a bit. Then I will be jumping on Kadani algo. Then I will be move forward with the help of this sheet. Like, uh, okay, I've also done most of the sorting techniques, but I know I didn't remember any of the one, but still I have done. I haven't done the recursive approach. We will be doing the recursive approach when we will be starting with recursive. Today I will be doing the array part, easy, medium, and hard. Okay, we will be doing it as a revision because I have done most of the questions before only. Binary search, string, linked list. And like I have to cover this much portion till linked list in August and kind of January, February, March, April, May, September. Like till mid-September, I should be till linked list. My sheet should be covered. Yeah, I hope so. Like I have also classes, daily classes also said I will try my best to cover till linked list uh, till the mid of September. Okay. Then I will be doing recursion. Like I have to give a good amount of time to recursion. I know this. Okay. After recursion, I will be solving. Okay, let's not manifest or procrastinate because procrastination never works for me. Okay, let me just continue with my two-pointer thing. Okay. Which question? 167. We done this question. We will just see it. Okay. टू पॉइंटर अप्रोच मेनली होती क्या है टू पॉइंटर तो बेसिकली एक पॉइंटर यहाँ लगा लो एक पॉइंटर यहाँ लगा लो लेट मी आल्सो ओपन माय नोट लेट्स करो this is not okay this is right okay new rotated iterative approach okay look I have made a good amount of notes for two pointer I've just realized sort color container with most water and then Patani to fix the mango content surveillance. Okay. So in two-point approach, use map to see the position of element. Okay. Like if we're doing a two-sum question, we are using map to see the position of element. Okay. Choose from input array is sorted. We have to find the sum of elements which target is equal to 9, like 2, 7 equal to 9. So it's in the index of 5, 1, comma 2 because it's an one indexed array. Fine. So we got 2, 7 as a target. We returned 1, comma 2. Here 2, 3, 4, we got 4 and 2 as our elements which sum up to target 6. So 1, comma 3 is the output. Minus 1, 0, target minus 1. Output is 1, 2. It can be 1 also, but we return, why we return 1, comma 2? So it has a one is different of one with integer of 1, 2. Return in types of two numbers and each incremented by 1 as an integer. We have to return an array of 2 only. Okay, so we need any two elements to come it's equal to the target. The test is going to just first that there is exactly one solution. Okay. What we have done, like we have created a hash map, then a for loop, difference, target minus number. So here we kind of also following the 50 minus k logic. Okay. It says, okay, like first in difference we got 9 minus to 7. Okay. 7 is not in the map, so we added 7 is to 1. Not 1, we are adding position to the value part. Okay. 7 is to 1. We added 2 is to 1, which is not a difference. Difference is 7. 9 minus 2 equal to 7. So it does not contain in a map. So we added it in the map. We put it in the map. 2, 1. Okay. Then 7 minus 2. Sorry, 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay. We will figure out. Okay. We will figure out what is basically happening in two-pointer approach. Okay. Then only we will be able to solve further questions easily. Okay, it's a basic problem two-pointer approach. Okay. 9 minus 2 equal to 7 and 7 does not contain if in 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 is not in the map. Wait. 2 is in the map, right? 2 is in the map. This means 9, we got 7 and 2. Like, why we using this target minus number size? Okay, let me just clear it with the help of ChatGPT. Why we are doing this? Why we are checking difference in map. Okay, we will be clearing this out today only. Because we are solving two sum and the condition is numbers plus I plus sum of the numbers equal to target. We already have number type, so we ask what number do I need to complete the target. Number type plus equal to target, so x equal to target minus number type out. Okay, so we check whether the difference exists in the map. Number 2, difference is 7, difference does not contain 7, no. So yes, because 2 plus 7 equal to 2 plus 7 equal to 9 is found up here. So we find out the required number for target. Required number is equal to target minus current number. So whenever you see a true sample hash is one thing. So total something important. If there is sorted room, it's new hash, that's why I use this. This. So when the array is sorted, we don't need to use hash number. Okay, here we can see the array sorted. We will be using trying the solution which will work on other solutions as well. Okay. 7 does not exist, so we added 2 in the hash map. Here then 2, the map contains 2, we count it as, and we will be returning the index of difference. What is the index of difference? Hmm, what is the index of difference? 2 का index जो frequency है यानी कि 1 है, तो 1 plus 1 is 2. And I plus 1 is I plus 1. Okay. Okay, we were using zeroth index. So basically, we have to do 0. And here we will get our output 0 plus 1, 1, comma. It's our pattern. Okay. But the question is 1 base index. So we can also do this. Here, if we do this, and we don't need to do higher, then we don't need to do this plus thing. Okay, we are using array. In array, numbers are automatically on zeroth index. That should be doing -1, -1. So I'm not sure am I doing it right or not. Okay. Uh, no, my question was like actually done, but I really want to cover some know my doubt answer. Change my root according to one base index. So we'll be doing one. Okay, it should be equal to n. Like, okay. No, I was like, it may change बना था. 2 -1 करना था. So but the previous logic about I plus 1 was more understandable for me. Because I will be saving that part only. Okay, the next question is remove duplicates. 26. 26. Remove duplicates from sorted array. Sorted array, that means we don't need to use hash mark. Okay. The integer array nouns. Fire. The integers and nouns are fire. Duplicate and unique element appears only once. You need to duplicate appears only once. Order the should be kept same. We got 112. The function return k equal to 2 with the first two elements of being 1 and respectively. We have to return the count of number of unique elements and also update our nums to the length of the unique elements. Like 0 comes here, 1 comes here, 2 comes there, 3 comes here, 4 comes to the fourth position. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So I've already done this questions a lot of times, still I don't remember the exact logic behind it. Okay, if I try to do it on myself, it, hmm, if nouns equal to 1, 1, comma 2, what will be doing? Okay, let me remove this logic. We will be writing this logic on our own only. Okay, we will write our logic on our own. So what we need as a two-pointer question? We need a slow pointer and a loop for the fast ones. Okay, swap then f plus plus. The logic behind this question looks like, okay, I've already done this question before also, so I know. Then we have to uh, use duplicate arrays or forward array. Number of unique elements. We have to update the key number of unique elements in our already nums array. Okay, what we have to do? For in fast equal to 0. Okay, we will put a slow pointer at 0. We will keep our fast pointer at the first position. Okay, fast plus plus. Okay. Let me also dry run it with a with side by side. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay. Our slow pointer will be at position 0 and the fast pointer will be at position 1. Okay. Will be at position 1. Fine. Now what we have to do is, if r0 is not equal to 0, then a condition will hit. 0 will not be equal to 1 and we will be doing s plus plus and putting r that not equal to element on our s position. Okay. If nums of f is not equal to nums of f, basically, okay, I will not write fast again and again. I will use it as app only. Okay. If nums of f is not equal to f, like the condition where where f comes here, we will satisfy this condition. Then what we have to do? If this happens, 0 is not equal to 1, then we will shift hand plus plus and we'll put nums of, we will swap. Basically, we have to swap, right? Like we have to write, we have to put our fast at a low position, right? This will keep happening. So our after first iteration, our array will become 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay. And the next, our S has also come here. Okay, S. No need of writing S here. And the F is here. Now it comes. It will come here. It will again come. Okay, it will keep, the iteration will keep moving until unless we will hit this condition. Okay. So F will come here. Again, we have not yet hit our condition. F will come here. Okay, now our slow is not equal to fast. So what we will be doing? We will be updating our slow and swapping. We will be swapping our 1 with 2. 0, comma 1, 2, 1, 1. So I think this logic is kind of working. So instead of dialing it at 4, I will be doing like what we have to return. Our slow is pointer is the main one, which is kind of giving us the length of our unique elements. Okay, so I will be return like they are two unique elements. So it's not 0 1. It should be s plus 1, right? And okay, I think I'm doing it right. Return s plus 1 equal to 1 in less than 1. I don't know if it will work or not, but I think it will work because I have also. Okay, it is working. No, already have done it later also. Fine. The next question which we have to cover is move zeros. 283. 283. Okay, move zeros. What is the question saying? Okay, I have also done an alternate question. I don't know its number. I have removed duplicate from array, sorted array 2. Okay, I have also done this question. Let me again search that question. Um, which question was that? It was 226. Okay, 26, right? And we will also look for its similar question. Yeah, this one. Move duplicate some sorted array too. Like in the previous question, we have done the question which we have to keep the single unique element in our array. Okay. Let me also open this question in a new tab. Here we have to keep only single unique element in our nums array. We have to only update the single element. But here we have to keep at most twice. Like if it exists more than twice, then you will be keeping at most twice. If it comes single time, then you have to keep it one time, or like three. It comes only one, but it is unique, so we'll be keeping it. Two comes twice, so we'll be keeping twice. One comes thrice, so we'll be keeping it twice. So at most twice. Okay. So I will be explaining you the main fundamental behind this question. Like in the previous question we did, we have to keep a single element. So we have put our slow at 0th position and app at this position. Like at the first iteration, our slow pointer was at 0th position and our fast pointer was at first position. But in this portion, we have to put our slow pointer at wait, let me just check. We have to put our slow pointer at second position. Why? We will be dry running it and will understand why we have to put our slow pointer at 0th position and a fast pointer at 2 position. Like I will also be showing you the dry run. Okay. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay. Our slow pointer will be at second position. It will let us here. And a fast pointer will also be at our second position. Right. We will be putting this condition if nums of app is not equal to nums of s minus 2. We will be checking this third element with the first element. Okay. Okay, we can say 1 is equal to 1. So our condition is not hit. We will move to our next iteration, like if app will come here. Now our s will remain at the previous position only because we have not updated that s. Okay. What we will be doing is not 2 nums of r is not equal to nums of s minus 2. Yeah, 1 is not equal to 2. Then what do you have to do? You have to put s, we have to update our s element from the element which is at s. Okay, we will be doing 2. Wait, this one and x okay. 1, 1, 1, 2. And here we will write 2, 2, 3. Now we will update our s. Our s will come here and our f will come and our f will come. Okay, we have updated our f, right? Our f was previously here, now f will come here. Okay, Why we have kept our S at the second position? Because we have to update our elements after two positions. Like we have to keep at most two unique numbers in our nums array. Okay. So I will be showing the pattern. Like mm, if there is a question will say we have to keep n number of unique elements. Like here we have to say at most two, but if we will be asked for n, we simply put our f at that position. Okay. Here we are asked to keep two unique elements. So we have uh, given s as equal to 2. Okay. That f is again s minus 2 is not equal to f. Okay, we will be again copying down our 1, 1, 2, 2, then our s will update. Our s will come again. The s variable will come here, and the f variable will come here, right? Mm. I just now we understand why we have put 2. We are updating, we are checking our f with the minus 2, with its minus 2 position. Like its f is here, and we will be checking it with this. It's minus 2 element. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Similarly, 1, 1, 2, 2, and 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, and 3. Okay. We also have increased our s. So our s is now at here, and f is here. Now s minus 2 is here. 2 is not equal to 3. So our final updated array will be 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3. Okay, our f has reached its n minus 1. So we will be terminating and our updated array will be 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, if question asks you, like we have to keep at most uh, three elements, unique elements in an array, what will we be doing? Here we are asked at most twice. Okay, let's confirm logic with the help of ChatGPT. I will ask ChatGPT, mm, what if the question asks us to keep n elements unique. So do we have to put our flow equal to n? Let's see. No, we don't set x equal to n. Important thing about the slope percent. S means the next position where we put a valid element. So S is also length of the valid portion of the array. Okay. Keep each element at most k times. Then we will put S equal to k and F all equal to k because we have kept our slow and fast pointer at same position. We'll see. Where is the portion? Where? Not here. Here. S is at 2, then fast is all also put at 2. Okay. That's why we will put S equal to K and F equal to K. And we'll return, for example, keep each element at most 3 times. We'll be doing this and F and we'll be checking minus 3. There we'll be checking minus K. Okay. So you can understand the generalized template behind these questions. Okay. If any, now you can do any question which will ask 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, you can simply write this template and answer the question. Okay. I have to update my notes. I haven't written. You also have to update the F part. Okay. This is my pen. Like you also need to update that part. I'll be writing past pointer should also be updated with K. S equal to K, F equal to K, and S minus K. Fine. Okay. Let's move to our next 2 pointer question. We have understood the pattern of 2 pointer question which will be asking about the n number of unique elements. Okay, move zeros 283. Like I don't want to keep unnecessary tests, so I'll be moving it. Okay, unnecessary move zeros to the end. If we got zero, put it at the end. Okay, here we have kind of followed the 2 pointer approach, opposite pointer approach, I guess. Let me show the let me show you the mm, okay, lead code 11, 977, valid palindrome, code zeros. Here we have used slow and fast pointer, but in the question, move duplicates from sorted array, we have also used fast and slow pointer. Okay. Lead code palindrome, valid palindrome. Okay, move zeros to the end. Fast is not equal to 0, then we will be updating our slow with fast and then doing slow plus plus. Like you can see, the questions we have done till now, the slow is only updating inside type condition, right? Okay, let me show you. Like here also, what we have done here. Okay, why have used map here? Map, we have to use map when we have when our array is not sorted, right? I don't know why I used map here. Okay, but at least we got to figure out some new pattern. Okay, move zeros from first not equal to 0. 0 is not equal to 0. No, it is equal to 0. 1 is not equal to 0. Then we will be swapping our slow with fast. Okay, so if our array is 0, 1, 0, 3, 12, then our new array after first iteration will be 1, 0, 0, 3, 12, right? And after when number fast, now our slow is at this position, fast at position. Fast is not equal to 0. We got our correct. Okay. Then app comes here. Our app is not equal to slow. Then what we have to do? We have to swap our values and update our slow with first pointer. Right. What we will be doing. Okay. कौन से ईयर में हूँ like I'm in third year, just started my third year. Okay, the slow pointer will come here and our f will come here. Right. We will be swapping our values 1, 0, 1, 3, 0, 0, and 12, and we will see our slow pointer. Okay, our slow pointer will come here and f will come here. Right. Yes, and app. Now app will move here. Fine. We only have to set for values when we will hit this condition, right? Now app will come here, and if it is not equal to 0, we'll be just writing 12 0 comma 0. Okay, our array is now updated correctly, and our throw will be at position here. So we have to return. Okay, we have to return nothing. We just have to update our array, and we have returned it. Okay, simple problem में for loops हो जाएगा. I know, but I'm just kind of trying to do solutions with two-pointer approach. I'm learning two-pointer pattern right now. Okay, I'm doing with two-pointer only, like slow and fast pointer. Yeah, two-pointer approach. Okay, I will be solving next question. Like I've also already done this question. I'm kind of revising the algos and the patterns. Solution. Okay, I have done this question. Move zeros. Then I was going to revise the valid palindrome. 125. Valid palindrome. A man. Okay, I have done a lot of things here. I've used string builder. I didn't even remember. My lead code account. Actually, I haven't solved that much problems. Lead code account, bro. This is my lead code account. इतना कुछ नहीं किया है मैंने इसमें. एकदम मतलब लोएस्ट पे ही है ये. Valid palindrome. Calculate the palindrome is after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumeric characters. It reads the same forward and backward. Okay, a man, a plan, a canal, and Panama. We have written through. This thing is a palindrome. So what I have done here, like I've converted my string to the lower case, and n is equal to s dot length. Non-alphanumeric characters, any symbol that's neither a letter nor a number. Okay, I already know this. Why I've written it so specifically? With I equal to 0, well doing. Right now, okay. I don't think so. If I equal to 0, I less than I plus plus. The character is digit act as the character. Okay, here I think I have created an sky array. No, I haven't created any sky array yet. हाँ कल इन्फोसिस आ रही है 4th ईयर के लिए. कल है एग्जाम उसका. आई डोंट थिंक सो ज्यादा बच्चे उठाएगी. Current icon is wireless and I plus plus. Character is digit has dot caret I. Character dot fix letter has dot caret I. Answer was caret I. Conversion string dot builder RE because हैक विद एंट्री का पता चला. हैबिटेंसी कल है ना, मतलब मुझे नहीं पता कल है या फिर हो चुका है। कल जो एग्जाम उसे क्या बोल रहे हैं? हम्म, सुनाई तो यही दे रहा है भाई, खराब ही है शायद से। टीचर्स भी बोल रहे हैं खराब चल रहा है, पर देखते हैं। दो को था। अच्छा। 2 अगस्त। इसमें किसी का नहीं हुआ? किसी का नहीं हुआ? ओके, टफ आया था या फिर उन लोगों ने ही नहीं लिया? इंटरव्यू था क्या फिर पेपर था? आई गेस इन्फोसिस में टफ ही क्वेश्चन आते हैं डीपी वगैरह के। ओके, मैं कहाँ पे थी? इट उन लोगों ने नहीं लिया। ओके। मतलब लेना ही नहीं चाह रहे हैं क्या वो लोग? आ क्यों रहे हैं पहले? 30 स्टूडेंट्स पे हुए थे इंटरव्यू के लिए। ओके। 30 स्टूडेंट्स पे इंटरव्यू के लिए। तो पूरी कॉलेज से 30 बच्चे उठाए हैं। वाह, मतलब हैक विद एंट्री के लिए 30 बच्चे हुए थे इंटरव्यू के लिए। उन्होंने 30 को रिजेक्ट कर दिया। वाह। 0 बॉक्स। फिर मिलने वाले की कोई नहीं होती। A man, a plan, a canal. For I and equal to 0. अच्छा। For and equal to 0 less than is less. String builder REV को use string builder. Like कहाँ से करा ये solution? Like okay, I have calculated as the caret high, calculus letter, answer as the caret high. I have looped through this string. Okay, conversion. Quite feels like I haven't understood this question. But the messages are getting retracted. What does this mean? Okay, हेल्प क्या ही चाहिए ब्रो, डी ऐसे करते रहो, कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाएगा। नेबर कॉलेज में है? नेबर कॉलेज कौन सा है ये? यस। नेबर कॉलेज का एकेजी? एकेजी या फिर एबीएस आईटी? कौन सा है नेबर कॉलेज? मैंने तो कहीं एकेटी का हैशटैग डाला भी नहीं है, तो नेबर कॉलेज के बच्चे कहाँ से आ रहे हैं मतलब? आई को 0 कैरेक्टर डॉट एस टीचर और आंसर डॉट कैरेक्टर स्ट्रिंग बिल्डर में कन्वर्ट करके रिवर्स कर लिया और डायरेक्टली चेक कर लिया। ओके, मैंने यहाँ पे कोई लॉजिक नहीं लगाया। काइट। ओके। यहाँ पर I haven't even tried two-pointer approach here, I guess. I've just reversed the string using string builder and then compared it. Like I need to do this question using two-pointer, right? I will comment this down. We'll try it using two-pointer. So I was saying We only have to return true or false. Okay, I will be using 2 pointers, low equal to 0. Okay, let's keep it, mm, what we call it, low and high. Low equal to 0, and int high equal to minus high equal to n minus 1. Okay, while then okay, we have to remove the spaces also and commas. We only have to compare the characters. Race a car is not a palindrome. Okay, then I think, it is this digit and let, okay, we have to do this part. Like, we need this part. Then I will be using 2 pointer over the answer string. I need to write this. Let me move this. Okay, while low is less than high, while low is less than high, equal to higher, what will be doing right now? Close and equal to high if s dot caret, not s dot, should be answer. Answer dot caret I, caret low. Don't it, I like, should not use equal to, like, there's no meaning of using equal to, like, comparing element with itself is of no use. Answer dot caret low. Answer dot caret low is not equal to answer dot caret high. Then if by chance this condition will hit, I will direct return false. Or else I will return true. Fine. Okay, I have copied my character array in answer string and I have used this. Okay, I also update low and high. Low plus plus and high minus minus. No. Instead of caret low, instead of caret high. Out of bound, why? Okay, after removing the spaces, okay, I should put answer dot length in an answer dot lemgth column there. Okay, now it will work right. I think it will work okay. Okay, the 2 pointer approach is there. The question and the solution which I have done later was not 2 pointer. I literally just reversed this thing and compared it. Wow. I have to do the question using 2 pointer only, right? Like easy problem से कोई कौन खुशी ले रहा है इतना? Okay, now अगले क्वेश्चन पे मूव करते हैं. Valid syndrome तो हो गया है. Okay, I figured it out. I should have used answer length. Yeah, right. The next question should be in direction. Squares of sorted array. Valid palindrome. Okay, I have done this. I will be solving squares of a sorted array. I think this is also some easy level question. 977, right? मतलब मेरा प्रॉब्लम काउंट तो बढ़ ही नहीं रहा है. मैं ऑलरेडी सबमिटेड प्रॉब्लम्स रिवाइज कर रही हूँ क्योंकि never mind. Okay, I have also done this question using the sort function. I haven't even tried to apply 2 pointer. I will try to apply 2 pointer. Okay, we will comment this part down. Squares of a sorted array. Like we have to given an integer array, num sorted non-decreasing order, return an array of squares of each number sorted in non-decreasing order. Okay. Return an array of squares of each number sorted in a non-decreasing order, ascending order. Okay. Uh, like without two pointer, it is so easy. Like we will be doing the square of each element and we'll be sorting it and it's sorting our array and then we'll be returning numbers. But we have to do it using two pointers. Okay. Let me think from that way. हम्म, ये तो मतलब मैं कर ही दे रही हूँ तो करती ही हूँ मैं एन निकाला एन इक्वल टू नॉन स्टॉप लेंथ -4 -1 -0. Okay, can I do the sorting using two pointer? Like how I can apply two pointer here? You can easily do the square part using this logic, and I can easily do this using square logic. But we have to keep the elements at the right position. -4 -1 0 3 and 10 0 1 9 16 100. What if I do this part? So I have to do, right? Okay, I will first sort it, then I will do this part. Okay, I have to do sorting using two pointer approach. Okay, let me think. Using two pointer approach, we have to sort, or I can simply use arrays dot sort, and I can use it. Where should I use two pointer here? -4 -1 0 3 10. If I do this, it's so slow, it's less than fast, the updating so you can just write whatever is coming in my mind. Like so like this will be the normal brute force now. If I apply this in the swap, if the element becomes less than that element. Is there any other way I can do this question? Squares of a sorted array. Any other way you can do? Like topics include two pointers. Topics to include two pointers. Nums of as is less than nums of as. Then we have to first make the square of each element and apply two pointers. First make the square of each element and apply two pointers. Okay, I've made the square of each element. I'm trying to apply two pointers. Like simple follow will work, right? If nums of s is less than, wait, let me just write the 16, 0, 9 and 100, right? That's four macro pointers, that's five. Nums of s less than, I think, what if I swap them? Is this a two-pointer approach? Swapping them to find the smallest element. 16 is not less than 1. I have to keep nums of f is less than nums of s. We have to put our nums of f at nums of s. नम्स ऑफ f ने टैब में स्टोर कर दिया और नम्स ऑफ s को मैंने नम्स ऑफ f में डाल दिया नाम से ऐसे मैंने अगर temp डाल दिया, if you're writing whatever is coming in my mind. Nums of app is less nums of s. Then we have to swap it. Is this two-pointer approach like to do x plus plus s not slow? Yes. If 16 is less than 1, we will be doing 1, 16, 0, 9, 100. And then our s will be at s will come here. This will come here. And f 0 is less than 16. It will not be sorted, like it will come 1, 0. The sorting then let me just see I'm going on the right way or not. Let me just check. Let me remove this part. Am I doing right? You are thinking in terms of slow first pointer, but this problem doesn't work with that approach. This is a pointer, or there's a problem after spelling the array is no longer sorted. So this approach cannot simply move smaller values forward. Okay, but I'm trying to this thing only. The correct two-pointer approach. Largest square must come from one of the two ends. Largest square, the correct two-pointer idea. Don't square everything first. Okay, if ChatGPT always gives different solutions, like don't have to square the area first. Okay, put in my left and right. If 100 is larger, so put it at the end, then move right. Okay, the one which is larger, then we have to use that pointer only. If right is larger, then we will write minus minus. If low is larger, we're doing L plus plus. Okay, this is a two-pointer approach which we have to apply on this question. Okay, okay, let's just try. Uh, Question content. Let me just try this. I will be simply applying a for loop. Okay, and we'll be storing the square. In square into first equal to nums of I think I should apply a while loop here. Hmm. If, okay, whenever I apply a while loop, I want to write it as low and high. Okay, but let it be. Mm, slow lesson app. Okay, nums of app into nums of. Okay, the first should be nums of s and nums of s will be this. Then last will nums of app into nums of f, right? We got the first element square and the last element square. When we have to move a pointer, we got one of them is largest. If first is greater than FIRST is greater than last, we have to do S plus plus else F minus minus, right? We have to put S plus plus and F minus minus effect. But It's not updating my array. The updation part. Missing the updation part. Sorry. If this, okay, we have to also keep a position variable in position equal to n minus 1. Position is equal to n minus 1. Like we are keeping our elements on the last only. Okay, as we got the highest element, biggest element, we have to put it at the last. This is not the question. It's where it's sorted out over here. We have to put our element at the last. S dot Nikki high, okay. With in position equal to n minus 1. We have to keep uh, our elements from the last only, okay. For two-line statement, we have to put curly braces. Because we have to put, it's not nums of POS equal to first, because this is because, okay, we will do S plus plus, and then we'll be doing, if our last element was larger, then we have to update that element. Okay, I think this much is the question of CTRL. Missing return element. Okay, we have to return the array int. Okay, we have to return the array. Return nums. Like already लिखा है but कोई बात नहीं. POS equal to minus 1. Okay, where I am down. Let me just see. Okay, well, it should be last, right? It should be last. Like, is equal to will matter or not? Like, what's wrong? Output, like, you have to put the squares, right? Okay, like, if actually, I think I'm doing this question without using my mind. S less than F, first and last. But first is greater than equal to not updating POS. Okay, we have to do POS minus minus. Let me see. Like we have to update POS after each iteration, but it should be outside the loop, I guess. POS minus minus right now. I think. I think POS minus minus. Like we are keeping our elements from last only, right? Hmm. If this was if and else. We are not keeping the elements from the last or not. Like we have initialized POS with n minus 1. As we get a larger element, we put it at last. I am like literally missing something. I don't want to see the ChatGPT solution. Okay, where I am missing. Where POS, and I can do the try then, right? Okay. 16 and 100. 100 is larger and we'll be putting 100 at n minus 1 position. What if 16 and then again minus 16 and 9? 16 is larger and we're putting at n minus 1 for minus 1. POS update करना है like ठीक तो है. POS minus minus करना है. Wait, तो इतनी 1600 तक तो ठीक चला. फिर 019 आना चाहिए. ओके मैंने फर्स्ट को अपडेट करा है, लास्ट को अपडेट करा है. जो बड़ा आ रहा है उसको वो कर लेना है. लाइक कुछ हिंट प्रो हिंट. ये क्यों हो रहा है? लाइक ये चला इक्वल टू कुछ काम है क्या सीरियसली? -4 in 100 Okay, we got a 0 after doing equal to part. Take it, let me see. 16 in 100. 100 is larger, 100 is here. Okay. 16 in 9. 16 is larger, 16 is here. Minus 1 in 9. 9 is larger to here. 1 and 0. 1 is larger to 1 is here. And 0 is for 0. Like ठीक तो है मतलब कहाँ गड़बड़ हो रही है मैं देख ही रही हूँ सॉल्यूशन टाइम वेस्ट ना करूँ लेफ्ट लेस इक्वल टू राइट देखो मुझे तो लॉजिक को ठीक लग रहा है मैंने कुछ उसको गलती कर रखी है छोटी मोटी मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रही है कहाँ गया मेरा क्वेश्चन स्क्वायर ऑफ सॉर्टेड एरे फर्स्ट अगर बड़ा है तो फर्स्ट कैसे कर दो बस लाइक वाओ आई थिंक आई एम डन n-1 n-1 कहाँ गलती हो रही है भाई किसी को दिख रहा है कहाँ गलती हो रही है क्या I'm offline in this live तो मैं फर्स्ट लास्ट क्यों लिख रही हूँ नहीं ठीक है तो है एस एंड एफ लास्ट एंड फर्स्ट let me just ask I should ask without wasting my time I should ask where I'm wrong कहाँ गलती हो रही है मुझे एकदम झंड your logic is correct now you took your changes in kind of direction one thing to be you are modifying same norms that you are using for reading when you face a solution that S or F hasn't processed yet so it tends to overwritten the original value उसने बोला पहले करेक्ट है फिर ये बता रहा है कुछ गलती है क्या गलती है मैं नम्स को अपडेट कर रही हूँ ना गिवन टीचर है नम्स नॉन डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर नम्स को तो अपडेट करना था लेकिन मैं इसको बोलूँ क्या ये आउटपुट आ रहा है क्यों आ रहा है ये नम्स को मॉडिफाई करना पहला ओके ओके मैं मतलब जब मैं वैल्यू चेंज कर रही हूँ तो वो कंपेयर नहीं कर पा रहा है क्या क्योंकि मैं नम्स को अपडेट करती हुई चल रही हूँ यही बात है इज दैट द थिंग I should not update nums. I should create a different array. Like it's not even given the question. We have to update the num only. Okay, I will take a new array. Okay, new array of same size n, and we'll be putting answer, answer. We'll be returning answer only. Okay, मतलब ठीक है वो मैं ओरिजिनल एरे में चेंजेस कर दे रही थी That's why the answer was messing up. -4 का 100 100 -4 and 3 okay fine सबमिट तो हो ही जाएगा ऑलरेडी सबमिटेड ही था फाइन ठीक है इतना ठीक था बट ओरिजिनल 3 was at nums 3 you changed it to 16 app is still pointing to index 3 okay fine like कुछ सोचने की बात थी ना मतलब dangerous keep each element moves 3 times The next question देखते हैं. Container with most water. Okay, 11. Like I've already done it, so I will just revise it quickly. That squares of a sorted array coefficient and what like optimal approach. Like for more topics, it can sorting array. Efficient means like reducing the time complexity. Hmm. Efficient करने का try करूँ. What efficient? Like updating the elements in the original array only. Is there any other approach which is more efficient than two pointer? Fine. Continue with most what actually I've understood this question with the help of YouTube. Okay. Continue with most water. Have you also used two pointer approach? Like I have already did the dry run of this question in my notebook like 2 to 3 times. Still feels a little bit new to me. Okay. You are given an integer array of height of length and there are n vertical line points and such other petty points. Okay. Like the part which I've already understood of this problem is we have to find the height of the length which can contain the most water. Okay. H comma L and H minus L max. 186254837. Above vertical lines are represented by array. In this case, the next area of water the container can contain is 49. Why 49? Like 1, 8, 8 and 7. Hmm. Final all possible numbers are water. Okay. Optimal approach 43214. Like, I'm also trying to read more from my notes. Okay. Returns max amount of water container can store. Output is 49 because 8 into 6, that is 1. Right. So, it's next number. Okay, fine. Okay, we are given an initial height of 9 and vertical drawn. Height is 1, then 8. So, all vertical lines are represented by array 1 at 6. This case, the next area will of water to container can contain 49. like मैंने इतने अच्छे से समझ के करा था स्टिल मुझे ध्यान फिर सोचना पड़ रहा है 8625483 मैक्सिमम वाटर कप कंटेन करेगा तो उसका लेंथ और ब्रेथ ज्यादा होगा I equal to 0 less than I plus plus. So I've also written the brute force here, like not here on my notebook. Let me just read the brute force first. They contain the adjacent element. We're trying to find the width. Like 1 and 8, width will be 7. The minimum height and height comma L. Okay, let's just do the dry run of this logic only, right? I have written max, max, min. Okay. Mhm. 8, 7. The height will be 7. So the container will contain the water with either of the height which is minimum, like 8 and 7. The height of the water will till 7 only. Will be 7 only, and its width will depend on its index. Okay, like 8 and 7 are how much distance apart? One, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 is the width, and the minimum length is also 7. So we got 7 to 7 is 49. So we have to find the minimum height and the maximum height. Okay. We have write the max equal to max dot max with max dot min. H minus L is basically the width, I guess. Height minus length. H minus L. Okay, low, high minus low is basically the width. Height minus. Like, right away. Okay, we will find the first minimum height. Okay, we will put our pointer at the first position, the last position. From 1 and 7, 7 is the minimum. Oh, sorry, 1 is the minimum, and minimum height on this. And we will be doing multiplying the width. 1 into 7, its width will be 1 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 8 comma max of max will be 8. Then if height of L is less than height of H. ओके, जो कम होगा उसको हम आगे बढ़ा देंगे, क्योंकि हाइट ऑफ एल हमारी 1 थी और वो 7 था, तो हमने एल को 8 पे ले आए हैं। फाइन, एल को हम 8 पे ले आए हैं। ऑल्सो राइट इट डाउन। 4, 3, 2, 1। 2 पॉइंट अप्रोच ही लग रही है। 1, 8, 6, 2, 5, 4, 8, 3, 7। ठीक है, हम हमारा यहाँ पे एल यहाँ पे है और हाई यहाँ पे है। हमारा यहाँ पे मैट डॉट मिन में क्या आ रहा है? 1, 7 में मिनिमम 1 आ रहा है, और देन मैक्स में हमारा आ जा रहा है 1 इंटू एच माइनस एल। इंडेक्सेस लिखने हैं ना मुझे, और उधर 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8। 8 minus 0 is 8. So 1 into 8 equal to 8. हमारे मैक्स में 8 आ गया है। And then we moving our left or right pointer, like which is the minimum will move ahead. Okay, 0 should write only here, not this. Now L will come here, height will remain here. Okay, 1 is less than 8. Okay, I have done kind of did this question with a lot of help, I guess. 1 is less than 8. Then again we will counting the area. 1 is again minimum. 1 into 7. 7 will be again it's not max. Again our L will come here. 2 and 8. 2 and 8, 2 is minimum, and its distance is. Oh wait, okay, I have to compare the element. I was comparing the indexes. 8 and 7 में 7 छोटा है, तो वी विल बी मूविंग h नॉट l, ओके। h विल कम हियर, ओके। स्टार्टिंग में l तो यहाँ आ गया था, उसके बाद h मूव करा, ओके। वो छोटा था, ठीक है। 8 एंड 7 में 7 आ गया, 7 आ गया। मिनिमम हाइट भी हमारी 7 ही है, तो हमारा मैक्स तक हमारा 49 आ जाएगा, ठीक है। फिर हमें स्टोर करते ही रहना है। हमारा अभी तक हमारा जो एरिया 49 आ गया, जब हमारा मिनिमम हाइट 7 है और जो विड्थ है वो भी 7 है। ऐसे ओके, ऐसे काम कर रहा है ये। ठीक है, मुझे याद आ गया कैसे अप्रोच थी इसके। बेसिकली हम लोग मिनिमम लेंथ निकालना है, इसको विड्थ से मल्टीप्लाई के एरिया देखना है, जो मिनिमम